ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ఫ్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
My question is, how to solve it by elimination method, how to solve it by substitution method. Same problem I am taking and solving it by substitution method. So let me write the same problem. 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 4. 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Once again verify the given equations. 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Solve it by elimination method. If it is mentioned, you must do it by the same method. Remember that. Solve it by elimination method. You must have to solve it by elimination method only. You should not go by any other method. So take this equation as 1 and this as 2. Because he has asked us to solve it by elimination method, you don't need to verify whether they are intersecting lines or coincident lines or parallel lines. But as a matter of fact, make it a practice or habit to check it up. A1 by A2 is 2 by 3. B1 by B2 is 1 by minus 2. They are intersecting. They are intersecting lines. Then definitely elimination method is possible. Solution is possible. How to find the solution? From 1, take one equation. What is the value of y? 5 minus 2x. Substitute y 5 minus 2x in equation 2. Then what do you get? 3x minus 2 into 5 minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2 into 5 minus 10, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4x, 7x minus 10 minus 4, 7x minus 14 equal to 0. 7x is equal to 14, x is equal to 2. Understood this? X is equal to 2. When you substitute x equal to 2 in this equation, what do you get? Y is equal to 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2 into 2. What is this? 2 into 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 is the answer. What is the answer now? X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the answer. You can write this as in a different way. X comma y is equal to 2 comma 1. In this way also you can write. Look at the previous graphical method. What is the answer? It is here only. I am just sliding it here once again. What is the answer? 2 comma 1. Look at the answer. 2 comma 1 by graphical method. By elimination method, what is the answer? 2 comma 1. Same problem, if mentioned by elimination method, this is the way you have to do it. This is 4-mark question. Even graphical method also 4-mark question. Now we are doing the same problem by substitution method. Q3 by substitution method or by solving, however it may be, we can solve it. Substitution and elimination are one and the same. You can substitute these values and do it. So by any method, any other method, you can say by any method, by solving 1 and 2 I write. By solving, find the solution.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
So 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Call them as 1 and 2. Now we are going to do the same problem in a different method, which is called finding the solution by numerical multiplication or numerical division or by addition or subtraction, whatever it may be. We are not going to eliminate anything. We are just solving it by any method. So take the first equation and write it as it is, 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. First equation is written as it is. Second equation, first equation I am multiplying it by 2. 2 into 1, what do you get? 2 into first equation, 2 into 0. What do you get? 2 into 2, 4x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. This is the first equation multiplied by 2. Look at this. Now, second equation I am writing as it is. What is the second equation? 3x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now, look at the y coefficients here. Both y coefficients are almost the same with polarity, different polarity, plus and minus. Look at this, 2y minus 2y. Just add the two equations, 4x plus 3x, 7x. 2y minus 2y got cancelled, minus 10 minus 4, minus 14 equal to 0. 7x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 by 7, 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in the first equation. Substitute 2, x equal to 2 in equation 1. 2 into 2 plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 2 into 2 is 4 plus y minus 5 equal to 0. 4 minus 5 is 1. So, y minus 1 equal to 0. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, what is the answer? X comma y is equal to 2 comma 1 is the answer. So, this is by solving you will get the answer. So, I am repeatedly explaining once again, there are three methods of solving any pair of lines. Look at the first pair of lines. This is the first pair of lines. Solve it graphically. Answer is 2 comma 1. Verified. This is 4-mark question. Graphical method is little bit difficult. Remember that. Graphical method is asked, you must do it by graphical method only. It is little bit difficult method. So, I have explained it how to do it. Now, solve it by elimination method. How to solve it by elimination method? Answer is 2 comma 1. So this is the elimination process. We have to substitute one value and eliminate y, and then eliminate y, then get x value, substitute x value for getting y value. So this is by solving this. Any method is helpful for you in the examination. So with the help of this, you will be able to solve any pair of lines when you are given in the examination and find the solution set. In order to find the solution set, we can use any method. If mentioned, you have to do it by the same method. సో ఒకసారి తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్తాను. మీకు పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని 3 విధాలుగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఏంటి? గ్రాఫికల్ మెథడ్. సెకండ్ మెథడ్ ఏమి? ఎలిమినేషన్ మెథడ్. థర్డ్ మెథడ్ ఏమి? సాల్వింగ్. By solving that given 2 pair of lines by addition or subtraction or multiplication, whatsoever it may be. So you have learned how to solve any problem by graphical method or elimination method or substitution method or any method in the procedure as written on the board. I hope you enjoyed learning this. We will try doing 1 more or 2 more graphical problems and do some numerical problems or word problems in the next classes. I hope you enjoyed learning it. Thank you all.